Eenie, meenie, miny, mo. Catch her, bet you by her toe. If she holler, if she holler, let her go. She's indecisive. She can't decide. She keeps on looking from left to right. Girl, come a bit closer. Look in my eyes. Searching is so wrong. I miss you right. To love 'em and leave 'em and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone. You can make up your mind, 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 mind. Please don't waste my time, 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 time. I'm not trying to rewind, wind, 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 wind. I wish our hearts could come together as one. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. 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 Oh.
Let me show you what you're missing. Paradise with me, you're winning, girl. You don't have to roll the dice. Tell me what you're really here for. Them other guys, I can see right through you. You seem like the type to love 'em, believe 'em, and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you and hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone. Can't make up your mind, 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 mind. Please don't waste my time, 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 time. Not trying to rewind, wind, 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 wind. I wish our hearts could come together as one. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. 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 Oh.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Get your bitch by her toe. If she holler, if she holler, let her go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Get your bitch by her toe. If she holler, 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 let her go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. You can make up your mind, 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 mind. Please don't waste my time, 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 time. I'm not trying to rewind, wind, 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 wind. I wish our hearts could come together as one. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover.
Let's learn Eenie Meenie. It's choreographed by Jennifer Lujan. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Eenie Meenie. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left kick step points. So we're going to kick our right foot low and forward, step our right next to our left, point your left toe to the left side. Kick your left foot low and forward, step your left next to your right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to cross our right over our left, rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right. We're now going to cross our left over our right, rock our right foot to the side, recover onto our left. Let's try that with some counts. Kick step point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right over our left, step our left foot to the side, and we're going to do a right sailor step, stepping our right foot behind, left foot out, right foot out. Now we're going to do a quarter turning sailor step over our left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with our left foot, step our right foot to the side, step your left foot to the side. We're now going to do a kick ball step. We're going to kick our right foot low and forward, step our right foot next to our left, and then step forward with your left foot. Let's try that with some counts. Weight's currently on your left. You're doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, we're gonna rock forward with our right foot, recover onto our left, and we're gonna do a half shuffle over our right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the side, left foot next to right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now gonna step forward with our left. You're gonna do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to do a left shuffle forward, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. We're rocking 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're gonna make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a quarter paddle and a quarter step. So you're gonna take the ball of your left foot, you're gonna push it to the left side, making a quarter turn. You're now at 3 o'clock. You're gonna make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to take our right heel, place it forward, quickly step our right foot next to our left, and then step forward but slightly across with your left. From here, you're gonna make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and we're going to do a full turning triple. So we're gonna make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left. Make another half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right, and then step forward with your left to face 3 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part with some counts. We would have just shuffled forward with our left. You're doing your quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And on those turns, you want to keep your feet really close together. So when you make that half, you want to think it's half together forward, and keep it nice and small. So you're pretty much doing that full turn nearly in place with a step forward with the left, and then you'll be ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your kick, step, point, kick, step, point, kick, step, point, cross, side, rock, cross, side, rock, cross, side, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step, kick, ball, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half, pivot, shuffle forward. Now it's quarter, quarter, paddle, quarter step, heel, ball, cross, quarter, full turn, triple. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left. You're starting with your kick, step, point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do our counts. Weight starts on your left foot with your kick, step, point. Kick, step, point, kick, step, point, cross, side, rock, cross, side, rock, cross, side, sailor, quarter, sailor, step, kick, ball, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half, pivot, shuffle forward. Now your quarter, paddle, quarter step, heel, ball, step, quarter, full turn, triple kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Kick, step, point, cross, side, rock, cross, side, sailor, quarter, sailor, step, kick, ball, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, half, pivot, shuffle forward. Now your quarter, paddle, quarter step, heel, ball, step, quarter, full turn, triple kick and point, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn Eenie Meenie. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.